Number 1. Installation position. According to the hole position diagram, the center of the lock body should be approximately 1050 mm above the ground, and the door frame edges should be left at a distance of about 20-30 mm each. Number 2. Installation of outdoor handle lock. Confirm the position of the lock cylinder hole, and install the lock cylinder from outdoor and fix with screws. Note, if it is not necessary to open the door sash from outdoor, then no need to do the steps. Number 3. Install the panic door lock STS11501. Cut the lock body to the appropriate length, based on the size of the door width. Align the cross slot hole of the lock head with the transmission strip of the external handle lock, and fix it with screws after installation. Fix the end of the lock body with a positioning plate and install the end cover. Install the lock cover. After installation, test the push plate and check if the pushing plate and locking tongue can be properly retracted. Number 4. Installation of Tabatum Link Style Panic Door Lock STS11503. The installation method of the lock body is the same as STS11501. External handle locks cannot be installed outdoors and cannot be linked. Attention! Keep the lock body aligned with STS11501. Install the top link. Open the lock box and adjust it to the screw. Adjust and cut according to the height of the door sash. Install and fix, keeping the locking buckle perpendicular to the center line of the locking body. Verify if the locking tongue is fully ejected. Fully ejected is normal. Fix one end of the pull rod and lock head with a cotter pin. Install the bottom link. Get the bottom link and screw well adjusted. Subtitle: the bottom link generally remains unchanged. Fix the bottom link and one end of the lock head with a cotter pin first. Disassemble the lower lock box and install by fixing. Note: check if the top and bottom linkage pins on the lock body are working normally. Installing the lower lock box. Install the upper lock box. Number 5. Install the middle buckle plate of the panic lock. The middle buckle plate needs to be installed under the STS11501 locking tongue. Installed in the middle position of double sash door. Check whether the door can be locked and whether the door will shake. Installation is completed if no shaking. Detection of installation.